Hello friends, a grand welcome to Accounting and Taxation package. Are you looking to start or upgrade your career in accounting and finance? Then I'm here to help you. My name is Ravi Telugu and I'm the GST tax practitioner and also income tax practitioner and one of the content developer at Tally Education Private Limited. In this accounting and taxation package, the primary modules that we are going to cover are basics of accounting, Tally Prime, GST, Payroll, TDS, TCS and income tax. In addition to these, we also give access to MS Excel. So as every accountant also must have knowledge in Excel, within this package we are also going to include a special section in the name of MS Excel. It is one-to-end course for accounting and taxation sectors. So whether you are a commerce student or non-commerce student, no matter, you can enroll in this course. As we start from basics of accounting, you can start learning from principal basics. And who can enroll in this course? This course is designed for freshers, graduates, working professionals and business owners and tax professionals and everyone who is interested in learning accounting and finance. No matter whether you are seeking to start or want to upgrade your skills, this course is perfect match for you. What is the outcome of this course? After completing this course, you will be able to manage book of accounts in Tally application. You will be able to manage GST filing, GST registrations, GST amendments, applying for refunds and cancellation of GST. And you will be able to file income tax returns for individuals and partnership firms and also paying advance taxes and applying for refunds. And you will be able to file TDS returns and TCS returns, and you also can manage payroll for your complete business. And you also can manage the book of accounts in MS Excel application. And the course is designed with curriculum and assignments and quizzes and will keep testing your knowledge after every section. And after completing this course, you will also get a certificate of completion from this website. And I'll come online every day to answer your questions that are posted in question and answer sections. What are you waiting for? Consider enrolling in this course. I look forward to seeing you inside the classroom. Thank you.